Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the color of your body parts in Roblox on iPhone or Android device or iPad. The first thing though, to make these changes, you cannot do them in the Roblox app, so you'll need to go into your browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. Once in the browser, you're going to type in roblox.com and you'll be led to this page. Once on this page, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and right where you see continue in browser, you're going to tap right there. Then you'll be prompted to enter your login information. Once you have entered your login information, you'll be led to a page just like this. And you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select avatar. After you have selected avatar, you're going to scroll down. And from here, you're going to tap on the two A's right where you see it in my browser right here. If you're on an iPhone, you're going to tap on the two A's and you would request the desktop version of the website. And if you're on an Android device, you'll tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you'll scroll down and request desktop version. After you have requested the desktop version, you're going to zoom out. And once you have zoomed out, you're going to go to the right hand corner and you will see body. And you'll simply tap on it. And from here, you'll see skin tone. Right below recent, you're going to tap right there. Then you're going to select advanced in the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you'll see the option for head. You can tap on head right there and you can change the color. Torso, you can change the color of the left hand. As you see, there are numerous options. You can change the color of each body part. Let me do it just for example. Then when you're finished, you tap on done. And as you can see right here, if I should tap on avatar, let me tap on avatar and you will see, here is the avatar now. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to change the color of your body parts in Roblox on mobile, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device.